Tide Free and Gentle against all Free Clear. Okay, we've been using all Free Clear for like decades because it is non-allergenic. It doesn't give you a rash like some of the harsh detergents. A couple of years ago, maybe 1 or 2 years ago, we started having a smell in the laundry room, and we couldn't figure out what it was. And it didn't happen all the time, but it happened enough where it was really hard to determine. So we decided to switch from this, which we've used for 2 decades, to this, and the smell virtually disappeared. So although these are good for your skin as far as not getting rashes and hives and stuff, if you smell this one, this all, you could tell the difference between that and this. There's no smell on the Tide where there is on this. And I guess when these new washing machines use this with hard water, you're going to have problems with the smell. We have really hard water, so it doesn't foam up as much. So if you have a problem with the smell coming in your laundry and you're using this all, try using this Tide Free and Gentle. Maybe that'll help the smell.